Hi, been a long time since I've done a video. So tonight I am going to make chips, scotch pie and beans for my dinner. So first of all, I will put the chips in the air fryer. First of all, I will get the pie and put it in a plate. What you put in the microwave. And these were from the local shop. And they're good. I'll get the beans, which has got the ring pull on it. So I will get a dish to put the rest in. And get the and I'll get a pot. The spoon. What's everybody up to today? Instead of putting the beans on top of the pie, I am going to heat them up on the cooker. Because sometimes when you put them on the top of the pie and heat it in the microwave, the pie doesn't go warm. Sometimes it doesn't go warm. So that's and I'll put that in there. And I will put next of all I will put the air fryer out for putting some chips in it. So I'll put the plug in. Hope you can hear me because I'm over. I was over at the air fryer. So now I'll put the rest of them in the fridge for maybe tomorrow. I'll a little bit of margarine. Wait till I get a spoon. Who else puts a little bit of margarine in their beans? I think it makes them more better. Oh. Yeah. I'll put that in the cooker in a minute. We've put well, these are straight cut chips because I ordered nicely cut chips from Morrison's, but they didn't have them. But that's substitute for the straight ones. So I ordered 10. Oh, a little bit of a little box of cherries. We don't have that either, so they sent a bigger one. Look, that's enough chips. So they put it's between 10 and 12 minutes in the air fryer. So I'll put them in the air fryer at 10 to 12 minutes. And I'll stick the microwave on and I'll stick the pie in it. So I'll wait until they're nearly done and then I'll put the microwave on to heat up the pie and I'll come back when I've put it on the plate. There is my chips, pie and beans. Now, what goes on the chips first? Is it vinegar or is it salt? Yes, it's vinegar. Vinegar. And then salt. Because if you put salt on, put the vinegar on after it, it takes the salt away. So I'm going to eat this and I'll come back and say give it 10 out of give it a mark it a percentage out of 10. So see you shortly. Hi, I'm back. I have finished it now and just wait mouse it sauce from the beans. That was delicious and I'm going to give it 10 out of 10. I've not had pie and beans and chips for ages, so I just thought I would get pies when I went to the shop for my TV magazine for the week. So, and I had a tin of beans in the fridge. So, and it was Delight Lidl's beans. That's what they were. They're like just like any other beans. So that's all until the next video, and I might do a live at some point because I've got a new tablet. So yeah, I have to buy a new tablet because the other one's not working. It's working, but it keeps switching off. So I want some money, and so I just bought a new tablet. Just before I go, I'll give you a laugh. We got a new kitchen in years ago, and when they rewired the day before the kitchen went in, somebody had moved the cooker and the cooker wasn't working, so I went to the local shop for it to get pies and we had beans. And my mum had said, we'll have pie and beans. So I turned around and said, how are we going to heat the beans up when the cooker wasn't working? So, silly me, so let's give you a laugh. So the beans was put on top of the pie and put in the microwave. So I've just given you a laugh at the end. So I'll say ta-ra for now. Bye. Bye everybody. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to Funky Nonsense with Lola T. And please subscribe to Fun Times or Good Times. So that's my fiance's channel, Ian. So please subscribe to that one as well. And this one is Funky Nonsense with Holiday. So, bye. Bye.